All right, y'all, so my team decided that it would be a great idea to do a fun Valentine's Day look because I love Valentine's Day so much. I hate it. But with that being said, the only good thing about Valentine's Day is the candy that goes on sale after the fact. So hey, find the positive in every situation. But I am gonna do a fun look if you are going out with friends, going out with a significant other, spouse, whatever. I will not be. I'll be probably spending it solo. But hey, I can at least feel good for myself, you know? So that's a good thing. You can do a look if you're going out on a date, or if you just want to put on a face of makeup and feel good about yourself and make all the people out there jealous that they're not with you, and then maybe you'll attract someone. Who knows? I'm so excited because I'm gonna start my look with the brand new Sassy Radiant Blush Duo. And I am so excited. I've loved these products. I love a good stick cream. It's really good for your skin. Plus it just gives you a more radiant look. So I'm super excited. Here we go, look. It's here, it's here, it's here. Let's start out. We have two different shades. We have Rose, which is right here. This is Rose. And we have Cinnamon, which is right here. I'm actually gonna use Cinnamon and do a little contour. Well, I need to do some concealer first. So, I'm excited to hear what you guys have planned for Valentine's Day. Hopefully it's something more exciting and luxurious than what mine is. Maybe I'll get some to-go chilies if I'm lucky. I'm not bitter or anything, just kidding. I'm trying to think of some good stories to tell y'all while I'm sitting here doing this. But as you can tell, first off, I just put my concealer on. We are going to pat it out to blend. Do not swipe. Number one rule, don't do it or else you lose coverage. All right, so since I am not gonna have like a, romantic luxury story to tell you about Valentine's Day, I might as well go down my rabbit hole of like really bad stories. So I will say I once went out on a date with a guy, guys, and it was first date, and he told me that he would never marry me. If you're solo on Valentine's Day, hopefully that makes you feel a little bit better about yourself, because imagine going on a first date with someone and them saying, well, I mean, I would never marry you. I was like, thanks. Maybe I'll take it as a compliment. With that being said, I'm now going to take the shade Cinnamon in the Blush Duo to do a little contour. All right, so this is obviously blush, but I'm also using it for contour. Just depends on your skin tone and the look that you want. All right, so now I'm going to take a brush and just blend out where I've used this cream stick. This is also good for if you're kinda, limited on product. I think sometimes I really don't have that much makeup on me, or I'm on vacation and I wanna minimize what I carry with me, so I learned how to use products in different ways. So as you can tell, I'm literally just blending out by kind of patting. It gives me the contour that I need, which is great. Blend, blend, blend. All right, next we're going to use Rose on the cheeks to bring a little color in. Just gonna leave it like that. It's great. No. Now you want to blend again with your brush, just kind of pull it up. You always want to pull the color up so that it gives you a more contoured effect. Now I'm gonna be looking so good for my Valentine's Day at home. Yay, yay, yay. I really hope I have people who hate Valentine's Day as much as I do. And maybe that's like the scorned woman in me coming out. I don't know, like you hate anything romantic. Or maybe because like no one's done it right yet. Maybe it's that. So, hey, it's a little challenge. So there we are with the new Radiant Glow Blush Duo. Absolutely amazing. As you can tell, I used it for contour as well as blush. Now we'll go on to finish my look, and with that, I'm going to use my Sassy products I always use, but I'm also going to use the Sparkle Kit, which is amazing. Comes with 2 eyeshadows and 2 lip glosses. So I love a good sparkle, always have, always will. I'll be that like 80-year-old woman that's drenched in sparkles. So I am gonna show you how I use these because they're absolutely amazing and they're great for a good Valentine's Day look. I'm going to do my eyes with a palette that we have not launched yet. So a fun little teaser, haven't launched it yet. Gonna do my eyes with that today and then put the sparkle on at the end. All right, here we have 4 shades. 2 are liquid eyeshadows and 2 are lip glosses. So these right here are the liquid shadows and I love them. So I'm going to take Twinkle, which is my fave. So I will apply it. As you see that there, you can take your finger and just smudge it out. Also, if you want it to be just a little more like out there, you can let it dry and apply a little more. I just want like a more natural, like a natural glam. Obviously for me, natural is maybe not a lot of people's natural. I don't really believe in natural. I believe in Savannah's form of natural. Alrighty guys, there is the sparkle. Like I said, we all love a good sparkle. I will be 70 and rocking this sparkle. Maybe now let's use a little bit of liner. I'm not gonna lie, y'all. I love the color of my cheeks. This new blush duo is the absolute best, and I'm so excited to use it too on vacation because it just gives you that glowy, radiant look. So now I'm going to use the signature Sassy liner, and I am going to line literally obsessed with this liner, y'all. Obsessed. And as you can tell, what I did when I applied the liner, I just colored in my lips because I love this shade so much. It's just the signature liner that came with all of our original lip kits. I'm gonna use Bubbly or Sparkle. I think I'm gonna use Bubbly for today. I'm just going to put this gloss over. All right guys, I absolutely love this look. It's a fun, natural glam, and I achieved this look using the new Sassy Radiant Glow Blush Duo Kit, and it's amazing. 2 sticks, I used them for contour as well as the blush, and I also used the Sassy Sparkle Kit. So helped me achieve my look, plus a new palette that we haven't announced yet that will be coming soon. So I hope you have the best Valentine's Day ever, and well, I wish you all the love and happiness in the world, if not with someone else, with yourself. So treat yourself to a good date day, and well, if you hate Valentine's Day like me, go buy all the candy that's on sale.